Good morning to all our beautiful subscribers all over the globe. This is our mission channel, remembering Africa's greatest. I'm your host, Omar Mendy. Today we are back again. This is the feeder road from Serekunda going towards Latrikunda. This is going to be our third tour of the road, our third assessment. So we will give you all the updates this morning on the 21st of April 2024. As we speak, this is Sunday morning, and this is the latest developments taking place. You can see the stones that have been brought to increase the depth of the road. It has to be thick. I know this area is usually flooded during the rainy season, so that should be put into consideration. So we will give you all the latest updates. If you are new on the channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we post on this channel. These are the drainage systems. Not much has improved from our last tour. Let's see how things will turn out as we progress. If you think the drainage system is small, you can indicate it in the comment section. Let's hear what you have to say. What is your assessment of the road? What do you think has to be improved on? Okay, you can see the sand that is being placed on top of the stone, the gravel. So it's new to me anyway. We are heading towards Latrikunda. So I just left Serekunda, going towards Latrikunda. As we speak, I am not far from the Guaranteed Trust Bank. That is the Bundum branch. This is huge. This one seems to be a bit bigger than the other ones. Yeah. Assalamualaikum. It's huge. I think the gutters, the drainage system should be prioritized because the amount of water, the quantity of water that floats on our roads during the rainy season is alarming, and to some extent it affects the sustainability of the roads, and in some cases this drainage system is usually filled with waste, which affects the effective flow of water, thereby causing a flood or floods. So it should be looked at, especially in this era of climate change. Even the most developed countries are faced with floods nowadays, so we should be very cautious. And we do not have the necessary equipment to fight certain things. So the best thing is to prevent or do as much as we can to minimize maximum damages in case of any unforeseen circumstance, that is to say a disaster. Yeah. I hope things like that don't happen here, but nowadays you can never tell. But we hope and pray it does not happen at all. Yeah, we've gone past Gandhi Trust Bank. Now we're heading to Jammeh Foundation, then get closer to Nusrat Junction, and from there Bundum Police Station, the court, and finally to that is Bunda. So this is the latest development. So we see harvest. Although, based on my own opinion, the work is slow, but in progress. Yeah. Sometimes it's not about the time it takes, but the duration to get things done. The most important thing is to get things done right. Yes. And the sustainability of the road is very key. It's paramount. It's paramount. Yeah. It's Sunday. This one has a problem. It's tight. One thing makes me feel bad sometimes when I go around and then see that some of the companies that are carrying out certain projects in this country are not Gambian owned. I ask a lot of questions from both sides, and I think the parliament should even pass a bill to condition the government to give some of its projects to the local companies, Gambian owned companies. I'm not saying wherein the expertise is unavailable, then we could get a contractor from anywhere to get things done. But if Gambians can do it, it should be given to the Gambians. Or should I say it must be given to the Gambians? Let them open it to a bidding and then see which company comes out best and the contract awarded to that company based on the competence, based on merit. Yeah. So it is important. Anyway, we hope things change for the better. And Gambians alike too should also do as much as possible to be experts with competence, with proven integrity. In their own walks of life, so as to merit these contracts. So it's not easy, a lot has to change. But let's hope for the best and work towards it. This is Trust Bank, Bundum branch. So from here we'll be going towards Nusrat Junction. This is the masjid. This is the mosque. Today is Sunday, as I said earlier, so it's a rest day for the workers. Finally, Nusrat Junction. This is the route that goes straight to the senior school. That is Nusrat. Look at this one. Okay, diversion. Walk ahead. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Wow. Is the road really tight? Okay. Yeah, progress has been made here. I think the completion of this part wouldn't take long. Yeah, a lot of progress has been made here. We have a car coming towards us. It's as if this part of the road is even open for drivers. If I may be right. things have improved. The condition of this road was very bad. It was too bad. The drivers struggled, and commuters also struggled as well. It used to be a hassle taking this route. Call it the back way, a back way. You see, lots of potholes on the road. Drivers kept banging their cars in and out of these potholes, and the pain was felt by the passengers. They would keep yelling and complaining at the driver, devil dunker, take it easy, take it easy. No, it's not easy. Sometimes just leaving home at Wellingara or Costa or coming to Serekunda or going to Banjul and coming back home feels like you went on a journey, because you are always tired. Therefore, infrastructural development is very important. It's very important. It eases things for the people. It makes life easy for them. They go out and take care of their daily activities without struggling. Come back home lively, with much energy. You see, especially with the unending traffic congestions. Some of the passengers will have to sleep in the cars, sleep and sleep and sleep. It's not easy. I'm surprised. It's Sunday, but these people are here digging. Sunday. Doing good. That's the other side for the drainage system. This is Bunim Police Station, and we also have the Gambia National Petroleum Company or Corporation on my left, as you can see. Work is in progress. Work is in progress. Okay. This is the garage. Let's look at the drainage. It still has to go deeper, huh? Land Hill Sport Shop for sport lovers. That is the official customer care. Let's look at the drainage system on the other side. That's on my right. almost at the Castle petrol station. This is Ladikunda, Bundum Highway. Today we'll take it all the way to Ladikunda. Yeah, this is where we stop most of the time, or in our previous tours. But today we take it all the way to Ladikunda. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell to get all the subsequent interesting videos we will be posting on this channel. We have a roadblock ahead, therefore the road is inaccessible. Yeah, wow, very cool. Big Bo! Bye,